Lochani, my name is Thando Mahlangu. Welcome to my tutorial channel. This episode it's for teaching you IsiNdebele, because I'm gonna say something in IsiNdebele and I will tell you what does it mean in English. So now this is for you when you come to South Africa or you come to KwaNdebele. At least you know certain weight or certain names. What do they mean in English and IsiNdebele? For example, eMandebeleni, we are saying Lochani. Lochani, it means is to greet someone. So now in English, if it's morning and if it's afternoon, we can, in the morning we can say good morning. In the afternoon we can say good afternoon. But in Mandebele, in the morning we say Lochani. In the afternoon we say Lochani. But in the evening we can say Nihlwile na. Ukuthi nihlwile, it means how are you? Uyabona? So now I'll go through these names and then I will tell you what do they mean in English. So now, if I say gedlisa, in English I mean relax. You know, if I say keka, IsiNdebele it's keka, then in English it means move in around it. You know, move around. But in IsiNdebele I said keka in simple way, and I said it in one word. I say keka. Then ngesiNdebele ngizokuthi igeko. Then in English is the way of movement from one place to another. Uyangithola? Then I'll say geleza, gelagela. Let me start by gelagela. When I say it in IsiNdebele, I will say gelagela. Then in English, it simply means move around. You see? It's nice, ne? Correct. So now, I'll say keleza. Ukeleza in IsiNdebele. Ukeleza. In English, it means flow. It's flowing. Let it flow. Iyakeleza. It's flowing in English. Then again, in IsiNdebele, I'll say ingemegeme. This it means in English serious and strange things, bigger things. Ingemegeme. You know, those are serious things or serious allegations. It's something that is serious and it's something that is not nice. So zingemegeme in IsiNdebele language. Then again, I'll say geza. NgesiNdebele singasho sithi geza, hlamba, duda, qopha. Then in English you'll simply say take a bath. You see? It's easy to learn. You can learn this language. You can learn IsiNdebele language. It's a very nice language if you are interested in knowing, and when you know it, it's gonna be more interesting, because that's where you will start to learn the sound of the tongue when you speak, and all those things. Yeah. And then I'll say igidigidi. Igidigidi ngesiNdebele sithi igidigidi. But if you take it into English, you will say a stampede. Do you get me? NgesiNdebele sithi igidigidi. Then in English, it simply say a stampede. For today, we'll stop there. Remember, when you greet in IsiNdebele, you're gonna say lochani. Then if you want to say how are you, uzokuthi nivuke njani. Then if it's evening, you're gonna say in IsiNdebele nihlwile na. Then in English, you'll say good evening. Yes, that's what you'll say. My name is Thando Mahlangu. I'm also available on Twitter at Thando Mahlangu _, on TikTok at Thando Mahlangu _, and on Instagram at Thando Mahlangu _. Let's meet again tomorrow.